So guys, talk is cheap, but seeing is believing. So let's see how these work. These are the best AR glasses on the market, and you're gonna see just how immersive the Dream Glass Flow is gonna make your gameplay experience. So I think, let's just jump right into it. Let's play some games. Okay guys, as you can see, I am outside in a soccer field. My PlayStation 5 could not possibly be here. So we're gonna play some Sekiro with the remote play function. Oh, and by the way, if you have a PS4 or PS3, you can also use remote play with those. But me, I'm a PS5 man right now, so, I'll show you how it works. So we've got the Dream Glass Flow right here. And now I'm gonna plug in the Cloud Pack. Boom. So I'm gonna put them on. Ooh, okay, that looks good. I'm gonna show you guys now, so take a look. You can see that looks real good. Imagine having that on your face. That's a 100-inch display. Boom. All right. So guys, you've seen how beautiful it looks. I got my controller here, and I'm about to get into some Sekiro. You guys should play some Sekiro too if you haven't already, but I'm busy now. I'm playing Sekiro. All right guys, so in the last video, I showed you the Xbox, but this time we are going to talk about handheld gaming, specifically the Switch. So with my Switch right here, I got my Switch connected to a hub, connected to the Dream Glass Flow, and I got my Switch controller, so we're gonna get into it. All right, so I got it all plugged up. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Really nice. So, all right, I'm thinking Robonauts. So guys, before I play, I want you guys to take a look and just see how this display looks. Looks beautiful. So, you see that, guys? It's really good. Beautiful. As you can see, there's no skipping, there's no lag, there's no skipping. It's very responsive. So I don't know about you, but I'm getting excited to play. So I'm about to play some Robonauts. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.